Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your HubSpot account password detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your HubSpot account password, start by navigating to the HubSpot login page. Once you're on the login page, locate and click on the Forgot My Password link. You will be redirected to a new page requesting your email address. Enter the email address associated with your HubSpot account. After entering your email, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from HubSpot. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and find the password reset link provided. Click on the link to be taken to the password reset page. On this page, enter your new password in the designated field. Make sure your new password meets the required security criteria. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the second field. After confirming your password, click on the Reset Password button. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the HubSpot login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. Congratulations! You have successfully reset your HubSpot account password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.